all doing good. So today's session is about dribbling. I've tried to design the session so that we progress from a very basic idea of dribbling to a slightly skilled advanced variation. So by the end of the session, if you're able to do 10 consecutive repetitions of each skill, consider that as a really good start. All the best. Let's start with a few basics first. The most important thing in this technique is that we hit the football with the lace part of our foot in the middle of the football. For dribbling, we can also use a combination of our outstep as well as our instep. Before we begin with the first variation of the day, just to get used to the football and master the ball better, we can practice by pushing the ball with our lace part, then our outstep, and then finally with our instep. In the first variation, we would need 4 objects which are placed roughly about 4 feet apart from each other, making a square shape. We then need to start dribbling around the square by using the combination of our outstep as well as our lace part. We need to follow this pattern for 10 consecutive rounds, and then we can switch to our weaker foot. In my case, I'm switching the ball to my left foot now. As you can see, I'm using both my lace part as well as the outstep of my left foot. In the second variation, we need to make a circuit by placing the same 4 objects in one line. This is an alternate variation in which I'm focusing on beginners just to encourage ball movement and dribbling. We can also use the underside of our foot. As you can see, I'm using the underside of my foot. I start with my right foot, I roll the ball to my left foot, and then I'm rolling the ball forward, and I'm doing the same process until I reach the end of the circuit. In this variation, we'll be working on dribbling with the focus only on our single foot. I'll start with our preferred foot, and then we can gradually switch to our weaker foot. We will start from one end of the circuit and we will go in a zigzag manner towards the end of the circuit. I'm using a combination of my instep as well as my outstep with the preferred foot first. You can start with 10 rounds with your preferred foot. After completing the 10 rounds, you can switch to your weaker foot. As you can see, I start with my right foot and then I switch gradually to my left foot. In the final variation, we'll be engaging both our feet. The circuit remains the same. We need to start from the one end and go to the other end in the zigzag manner by using both our feet. You can see I'm using the instep of my right foot, passing it to my left foot, and using the same instep to pass it back to my right foot. So guys, I hope you had a good session today. Like I said, I introduced with a very basic idea of dribbling. Then we gradually moved on to a slightly skilled advanced version. So in the next session, I thought I'll introduce you guys to a really cool skill. I hope you guys like it, and do let me know how you find these sessions. Like and share with your friends or whoever's interested in football at all. Guys, stay home, stay safe. Bye.